guys, so I am finally back with a new video. Today we are unboxing the Coach Pillow Tabby 18. This is the mini size. If you guys have seen my other videos, I love Coach. I also have the Coach Tabby 26 in a more like classic color. It's like a black and white tweed. So this is the more trendy summer it bag. It is all over social media and TikTok. So I can't wait to open it in front of you guys and we can see what it's all about. I literally ordered this yesterday and it came in a day. So for whatever reason, faster than Prime shipping. So this is the box, so pretty. A bag like this, it's small, like this box is small. Oh my god, here it goes. It's so exciting, moment of truth. So inside it comes with the little Coach goodies, and then this is the bag. So I was really torn between what color to get. I actually put a poll on my Twitter because I had no idea what to get. I love light colored bags, and I noticed that's why I don't wear my Coach Tabby 26 as much because it's black. And I love pastel and like light and airy bags. The only downside about light and airy bags are color transfer. So if you wear dark denim, black anything, it'll get on the bag. But that's a risk I'm willing to take. It's also spring and summer, so I had to do it. But I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So it comes in this gorgeous dust bag, as Coach always does. And you guys, I went with the lime. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Okay, this is actually bigger than I thought. I have some mini bags. I have the Gucci Super Mini. I still have yet to upload that review. But this is actually slightly bigger. Oh my gosh. So I know this is a trend. The quality is incredible. You guys, it is buttery soft. Like they call it Pillow Tabby for a reason. I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm so glad I went with this color. Even though it's lime, it's definitely more of like celery almost. It's like a very light celery, so it's not that neon. It's not that bright. It's actually quite muted. And it is so cute. So it has all of the wrapping on it still, but this is the crossbody strap. I've seen a lot of people order different chains from other bags or even from Amazon to make it a chain strap. I wish, like if it was my dream, I would have this bag in this pale green with the light gold hardware, but they didn't have that. I'm hoping they come out with a very light lilac. Right now I know they have 4 colors. They have this light green here, they have the rouge, which I thought was pink, but it's actually more of like a dark pink, and then they have a cream or a white, and that one has the gold hardware that I really like. But I don't really wear white bags as much, so I love this option. It's so fun, it's trendy while still being totally wearable. So it comes with the top handle here, love it. Then we just open it here. It's so squishy, it's like a little marshmallow. So we open it here, it has this magnetic closure. I think it still has the sticker on it. And we have several pockets. You guys, I'm so happy with the quality of this bag. It is like double layered. It's like they folded it over and then stuffed it. So it's definitely pillowy. Oh my gosh, this is totally worth it. Especially if you do the $10 sign up for tax, and then you add Rakuten. I got Rakuten $15 back plus the $10 back. I'll have links below if you want to do that. I'm a huge fan of Rakuten. I try to get all my friends to do it because it's free money. Like, why not? Amazing. Look at that. It's all cushioned. Oh, it's so cute. It really is such a happy marshmallowy bag. You guys need it. It has a little Coach pamphlet here, and then that's it. So super simple. Oh, so cute. No back slip pocket, which I think is fine. So let me try it on. So this is what it looks like on. You guys, I'm literally obsessed. This is such a cute bag. I'm wearing it with some like mom jeans right now. It's a little bit baggier, but I think it is so cute, and it's really easy to just access, and you can fit your phone in here. Let's see. This is the 10 max, but I'm going to be downgrading to the 12 soon. But oh, look at that. Perfect. And then you can add your wallet. This is like a normal sized wallet, and there's still room for other things, lip balms, mask, anything you're used to putting in here, you can. This is what it looks like full. This is so adorable. Okay, so let me grab the 26 for you guys. So this is the Tabby 26 in the tweed fabrication. She's still so stunning and gorgeous. Over a year later, this is the mini. So this is the 18 and the 26. So cute. This is like the adorable chubby little sister. Oh, I love this so much. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm really obsessed with this. This is such a totally different vibe, more of like a you know, trench coat, little mock neck, turtleneck sweater moment. And this is just like having the best summer of your life. Okay, so I'm just gonna try it on with a really basic outfit. And it is just so adorable. I mean, look how cute this looks. I think it's a great size, great length. There's an adjustable strap if you need to make it shorter or longer. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. I mean, look how cute she looks even when it's just hanging on my wrist. I feel like this is totally worth it if you were on the fence. Highly recommend it. The leather is just such a nice quality. It really exceeded my expectations, and look how much she can hold. Definitely recommend. Can't wait to see what other colors they have. Hope you guys found this unboxing helpful. Alright, bye!